Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what is RNA and what is DNA. First of all, what is DNA? The abbreviation of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a molecule that carries genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. DNA is made of two linked strands that wind around each other to resemble a twisted ladder, a shape known as double helix. Now, what is RNA? The abbreviation of RNA is ribonucleic acid. RNA is a molecule that is present in the majority of living organisms and viruses. It is made up of nucleotides, which are ribose sugars attached to nitrogenous bases and phosphate groups. Hope you guys liked my video. For more videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.